Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into the boot mode or bootloader. So before we get started, we will need a cable that you have to plug into your computer. That can be a Mac as well, so don't worry. So let's just connect it. And from here, let's power our device off. Now, once it's off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo on the screen, you will let go of only the power key while you keep holding the volume up. There we go. So there's the logo, let go of the power, keep holding volume up. And we are in the recovery mode. So in here you will want to use volume keys in order to navigate and select the second option. So simply press volume down once and then confirm the reboot to bootloader with power key. And there we go. So that is how you would boot into it. Now, if you want to leave this, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, or power key I believe. Let's try first just the power. It seems like power key doesn't work, so volume down and power. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically boots back up. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.